Ancient Greek athletes used to smear onion juice all over their bodies before competing in the Olympics. They believed it helped balance their blood and strengthen their muscles. That was over 2,500 years ago. And frankly, we're still debating onions. Specifically, what's the real difference between red and white onions? And does it really matter which one you choose to put in the pan? Let's find out, right here on Simple Why. Onions are truly an ancient witness to history. In fact, humans have been incorporating them into their diets for at least 7,000 years. Long before the concept of cultivation existed, wild onions were probably one of the first foods our ancestors gathered from the earth. Despite their importance, they rarely leave a trace in history because they decompose so quickly. However, we find their legacy in ancient Egypt, where the onion was treated as a sacred object. To the Egyptians, its concentric layers represented eternity itself. This is why pharaohs were buried with them, and why King Ramesses IV was found with small onions resting in his eye sockets, a final gift for the afterlife. Even the name onion carries a sense of beauty, originating from the Latin unio, meaning a single, large pearl. And like a precious gem, it traveled across the globe, eventually arriving in the Americas in 1492, when Christopher Columbus brought the very first seeds to Hispaniola. From ancient tombs to the American soil, the onion's journey is as layered as the vegetable itself. Now that we know where all onions come from, here's how we differentiate between white and red onions. Red onions get their deep purple color from pigments called anthocyanins. These are the same compounds that give blueberries their blue color and purple cabbage their red color. They are also powerful antioxidants, and red onions contain more anthocyanins than most other common vegetables. Red onions tend to be milder and slightly sweet when eaten raw. That's why you see them thinly sliced in salads, layered in sandwiches, and sprinkled raw on tacos. They are a staple ingredient in Mediterranean and Indian cuisine. In India, red onions appear in everything from curries to raita. Interestingly, red onion juice actually acts as a natural pH indicator. Anthocyanins in onions change color depending on whether the liquid is acidic or alkaline, turning pink in vinegar, green in a baking soda solution. High school chemistry teachers have been using this trick for decades. Red onions are for those crispy salad bowls. White onions? They're made for the heat. White onions have a more pungent flavor than red onions. But as soon as heat touches them, they transform completely. Their higher sugar content allows them to caramelize beautifully, becoming soft, golden, and almost candy sweet. That's precisely why white onions are the backbone of Mexican cuisine, appearing in salsas, guacamole, ceviche, and street-grilled tacos. If it's Mexican food, chances are there's white onion in it. White onion have a papery skin and a higher water content, making them more perishable. You should store them in the refrigerator and use them within a few weeks. Nutritionally, white onions are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and zinc. Studies published in the Journal of Functional Foods show they also have antibacterial properties, meaning they may help your body fight off certain bacteria. They are also generally easier to digest, which is important if you are sensitive to raw onions. Many people believe that the darker the color of an onion, the stronger its flavor. The opposite is actually quite true. Red onions are generally the mildest. Yellow onions, the most common in the US, accounting for about 87% of production, are often much more pungent than both red and white onions. Remember the anthocyanins that turned red onion juice into a chemistry experiment? Those pigments are what make the biggest nutritional difference here. For 100 grams, red onions have about 44 calories and 10 grams of carbs. White onions are lighter with 36 calories and 8 grams of carbs. Both are low in fat, low in sodium, and good choices if you're managing your weight. But red onions excel in terms of antioxidants. They contain significantly more quercetin. They also provide more anthocyanins, and some studies suggest they may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. White onions win in terms of digestibility. Their lower fructan content makes them gentler on people with IBS or sensitive stomachs. Think of it this way: red onions are your antioxidant factory. White onions are the versatile warriors in the kitchen. Neither is better. They just have different tasks. We don't just eat with our mouths, we eat with our eyes first. This contrast reveals a profound insight into food psychology. We use red onions when we want to honor the ingredients, and white onions when we want to elevate the soul of the dish. It's the difference between a bold accessory and a perfectly tailored suit. And besides flavor and appearance, there's a very important practical reason why one is used more than the other. If you've ever noticed the price difference between the two types of onions, it's not just your imagination. Generally, red onions are the more premium choice. They are harder to grow and have a shorter shelf life, making transportation and storage expensive. In contrast, white onions are the mainstay of the global food industry. They are easy to cultivate, highly resistant, and can be stored for much longer periods without spoiling. For a restaurant with high customer volume, this consistency is everything. Using white onions isn't just a culinary choice. It's a strategy for balancing consistency and cost effectiveness. They provide a reliable, pungent flavor without draining the kitchen's budget. We've all been there, standing at the kitchen counter, knife in hand, suddenly overwhelmed by an unstoppable urge to cry. You might blame your dull knife or your sensitive eyes, but the real culprit is a precise chemical reaction. And surprisingly, the type of onion you choose determines the volume of your tears. So next time you stand at the produce counter, which one should you really pick? If you're making a fresh salad, a cereal bowl, or quick pickled onions for a burger, choose red onions. The color holds up bright, the flavor is mild, and the antioxidants are included. If you're cooking, sautéing, grilling, making salsa, or making broth, choose white onions. Heat releases their sweetness in a way that red onions can't match. And one more thing. The average American eats about 9 pounds of onions a year. That's about 1 onion every 5 days. You're already eating a lot of onions, so at least choose the right kind for the right purpose. What surprised you the most? Write it in the comments. We read every single comment. If you have a topic you'd like us to explore further, leave it in the comments. And if we choose your topic, we'll mention you. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching Simple Why.